Cheesy Fiesta potatoes. They're back.
Hey, it's Hollywood. I'm sure you've guessed we are going to make some cheesy Fiesta potatoes today, but better. Cut this on an angle, on bias. They look nicer. It's just better. We're only going to use the greens for the green part for this recipe, but we are saving these for later because they're good. Velveet.
It's a brick of cheese.
It's like cheese. We enjoy it. Green's half of this log. I believe it's a 3-pound. It's 2-pounder. So we're going to use roughly a pound. Alright, for our 1 pound of the Velveet, we're going to add, I'm going to say that's like a 1/4 cup, half and half. Alright, so we've got our Velveeta, the half and half. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Smash Bros. Hot sauce. Video coming soon. About a teaspoon of garlic. And we're going to start there. It smells good. It's melting. It's starting to melt. Might have to add more, a little splash of cream. Half and half, I mean. Maybe not. We'll find out in about 10. Forgot the secret ingredient, MSGs. If you think Taco Bell doesn't use them, you're wrong. Alright, seasoning mixture for our potatoes. We are going to start with a half teaspoon onion powder. And do another half teaspoon of garlic powder. Cumin. About a 1/4 teaspoon, and we have some chipotle powder, half tea, a 1/4 tea black pepper.
How much salt?
That much, tablespoon. We're gonna mix that with a fork. Okay, so I have here 4 gigantic russet potatoes. We are going to hit that with our seasoning. Got 2 tablespoons of mostly melted butter and about another 2 tablespoons of oil. Give that a quick toss. Now we're going to add in our seasoning mix a little bit at a time. We have these good and mixed. We're going to throw them into our 425 degree oven
Until they're done.
until they're done. Okay, nice even layer so they cook evenly and all at the same time. Yum. Neat. Also, don't forget the MSGs. It's from Taco Bell. They're in there. You know they are.
We at Smash Bros. Kitchen Addiction really have no idea whether or not Taco Bell uses MSG in their food.
It's yummy. Alright, so we have our oven at 425 Fahrenheit. I'm going to put these babies in there for 10 minutes until they're nice and crisp.
Okay.
Okay, it's been about 15 minutes at 425. these babies look good. Look at that. Oh yeah. So, while they're hot and fresh, we're gonna take some, throw it into a bowl. Alright, we're gonna take our cheese sauce, which I did add an extra half cup of the half and half. Not a half cup, about a third cup. Those are much, much better than T-Bell. Try it. Better?
Much better. Oh yeah.
Okay. He's shy. He's up in here. No. It's good. It's good.
Get your potato.
Okay. See you later.
Wow.
Wait, what?